the airport's layout and signage. However, here are some general steps you can follow. Look for flight information screens. When you arrive at the airport, look for flight information screens that display the departure gates for your flight. These screens are typically located near the entrance or check-in area. Check your boarding pass. Your boarding pass will have your flight number and departure gate printed on it. Make sure to double-check this information before proceeding to the gate. Follow the signs. Most airports have clear signage that directs passengers to their departure gates. Look for signs that say gates or have the gate numbers and follow them. Use airport maps. If you are unfamiliar with the airport, consult an airport map to find your gate. These maps are usually available online or in the airport. Ask for help. If you are still having trouble finding your gate, ask airport staff for assistance. They are trained to help passengers navigate the airport and can point you in the right direction. Once you have found your gate, make sure to arrive there early and keep an eye on the flight information screens for any updates or changes to your departure time or gate number.